Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can sign up for a GCash account. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is, first of all, make sure that you have installed GCash application on your phone through your app store. Then after doing that, you can simply open the application. So after opening the application, the first thing that you will see is entering your mobile number. All you have to do is simply enter your mobile number. Here you can also get the option of country code. If you tap on it just like this, you'll be able to select the country too. So after selecting the country code, all you have to do is write down your phone number. After entering your phone number, tap on next. So after tapping on next, now there will be the requirement of 6-digit code through your SMS. All you have to do is open the message and copy the code and simply paste it right here. So after pasting the code, you will be able to register now. Simply follow along the process and then enter all of your personal information like your full name, your birth date, and your email address. So while writing your personal information, make sure to match it with your ID, since there will also be the requirement of your selfie verification, which will further help you unlock more features in GCash. So after entering all of the personal information and then following along the process and then verifying your selfie verification, you will be able to sign up for GCash app. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.